Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're covering some of our favorite Mac keyboard shortcuts for better navigating the operating system. Before we jump into that, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so right off the bat, Windows usually uses Control plus a key. On Mac, it's Command plus a key, generally speaking. So the first one we're going to show you guys is Command and W. Command and W together will close whatever window you currently have open, although it doesn't close the application. This might be useful, for example, if I'm editing something in CapCut and I don't want to lose my progress, but I just want to quickly hide the window. So Command and W will do just that. All right, next up we have Command Y. If I'm moving between things in my Finder, which by the way, you can use your arrow keys to do that. Let's say I want to quickly preview something. Command Y will do that. As we can see, it started previewing that sound for us, the dot wave. And alternatively, I can also just use the space bar for this. This works on video, image, and sound files. All right, next up, I think this is a lesser known one. Let's show this one in Microsoft Word. So this is the Mac application for Word. The keyboard shortcut here is Command and comma. What is that going to do? It's going to quickly pull us into the preferences for whatever application we're in. All right, for the next one, we're going to show you guys this in Excel, and this is kind of an extension of the find command. Let me pull up a basic spreadsheet for example's sake. All right, so here I've got a .csv, and if I want to search for something in here, for example, I could search for Command F. Again, Command F is search, and I'm going to search for Austin, okay? I'll hit enter. Now, if I want to cycle between the results, this is the command that we're getting to here. Command G will do exactly that. So I'm bouncing now to each thing that includes Austin from my search results, which is a lesser known but extremely productive keyboard shortcut to be aware of. Next up, we have Command and space together. This is a quick keyboard shortcut to open our Spotlight search. Let's say I'm scrolling a web page and I want to go somewhere else. Our next shortcut is Command and L together, which instantly selects and highlights the address bar. I can immediately start going to whatever website I want to go to, and I don't even have to click anything. Next up is Command Tab. This is the application switcher. We can continue to hit Tab, and once we release, we'll be brought to that application. All right, let's say I'm shopping around here, and whoops, I did not mean to hit that. Command and the back arrow will bring me back a page, or Command and the forward arrow will bring me forward a page. So instead of having to go up here and click, I can literally just use those keyboard shortcuts to do it instantly. Next up, if I hold down Option and Shift and then start hitting my volume keys, I have finer controls over the volume output that I want. All right, the last one we have for you guys today is to hit the function menu twice, abbreviated as FN. This is going to bring up our emoji menu. So if we're texting or typing and we want to quickly have some emojis, just double click FN. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any of the shortcuts, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. We strongly encourage any video topic ideas that you may have. And as always, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps support the channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.